Welcome to Poe Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upscale your AI images into sticker sheets in Canva. Today, I'm working in Canva Pro because in Canva Pro you are able to remove the background of the image to make stickers. So let's get started. First, I'll create a design and I'll go to custom, and here I'm going to work with pixels. My sheet, my document, I want my document to be on 8.5 by 11 or 11 by 8.5. I want it in landscape. I want it on 300 dpi resolution, so I'm going to multiply the size by 300 dpi. 11 by 300 is 3300 pixels, and 8.5 by times 300 is 2550. Okay, here we are. Okay, I have uploaded my design already. I'm going to scroll down to find it. Yeah, right here somewhere. I'm going to choose this one right here. This design, it looks like it has a white, transparent background, but it doesn't. I'm going to remove the background. I'll keep it selected, go to edit page, and I'll remove the background with this one right here. Okay, it's working. Apply the removal, and then I will go here, photogenic, to make the color more appealing, like nicer, and I'll apply it. Okay, and I'll go back up and I'll go to shadows, and I'll go to glow. This is where you put the offset, you know, the white outline you put on your stickers to cut it out, and here is where you create it. I'll select this one, and then we'll go in to see the controls. We want the size to be thicker, so wider. I'm going to run it up like here. Okay. We don't want it to be transparent, so the transparency should be 100, and we don't want it to be blurry, so we bring the blur back. It shouldn't be blurry, and the color is black. We don't want it to be black either. Select on black and we choose white. Okay, the white is right there, but because it has a white background down there, that's why you don't see it. I'll click on apply. Okay, and then we'll go back to our page. So we have this to test to see if to be sure that your outline went through. I will select this, I put it here, and I'll just send it to the back so that I can see the outline. Okay, we see our sticker outline. Now I will delete it again. I'll select it, I'll stand here in the corner, and I will go make it smaller. Let's say we want our sticker to be this size. Okay, and then we're going to duplicate it, like duplicate, and then I'll run one up here, and then I will select all, position. I'll click on tidy up. Okay, we have good space between them, and I will select them, and I will duplicate them one more time, and I'll bring them down here. Okay, I think we have them good. Okay, I have them all here, and now we're going to download them. Let me see something. I'll color the background to see how they are. Let's color the background. Okay, they are good. I love it. I love it. Okay, now we're going to download them right here. We go to the download section. I'll download them in PNG format. You see the all DPI is already here, size and DPI and all. And I'll select transparent background. If you do not have selected transparent background, it will be downloaded for you with a background, and you do not want that. And one more tip, for instance, if you sit down, you take an hour to design sticker pages like this, sticker designs, or put your setting in and everything, select here and click save download settings. That means all the files that you will be working on, all the documents under this one will be on this size. They will have a transparent background, and it is safe, so that you can, even if you forget to check this box, the transparent background box, it's already checked there because you saved the download settings. Okay, and then sorry, I'm going to download, and after we download we will check it. Okay, here it is. You see it has a transparent background, that's why you can see it like this. Let's see if you can see it a little bit bigger. Yeah, it has a transparent background. So this is what you will upload in your Etsy shop or on your website. If you do not know how to upload this, how to sell digitals on Etsy, click on the link that you see now popping up, and it will show you how to create your listing. And stay tuned for the other videos that I have coming. More ways to upscale your AI images so that you can make money out of them. Thank you for watching.